I wanted to show you my review for the HOMELabs Compact Dishwasher, model number HME0133N, and I wanted to show you it fits really well in my compact kitchen. My house was built in the 50s, and in this neighborhood they put a washer and dryer in all the kitchens. But I'm a bachelor, so I don't really mind much. But I have just finished a cycle of dishes, and I wanted to show you in real time how they come out. I really like this dishwasher, and I'll show you a close-up of how I have it hooked up to my sink. And there you see the Eglinton water filter. That's a sweet water filter, also available on Amazon. So it is possible to connect a water filter in between your faucet and the quick connect device that comes with the dishwasher. Now let me open up, and I will show you some dishes and see how they have come out. Let's pull a knife out here. Knife is almost, well, it is relatively spotless. And let's reach in here and show you how it cleans a glass coffee cup. Let's see if you can't get it. Darn near streak free. I don't see any streaks on there. What you're seeing is glare from the lighting, but perfect. There is a really nice shine on these dishes, and they come out dry. And this particular set of dishes was washed on the economy setting, where it takes about 75 minutes to wash the dishes. So there you have it. I love this compact dishwasher. It cleans just as well as a permanent dishwasher.
Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys just really quickly how you're going to attach your pure filter. This is the one I have. I don't know the model, but you want to attach your pure filter so you don't have to keep taking off the dishwasher and putting it on, unthreading it and doing all that. So the way you do it is really simple. So this is the adapter that comes with your dishwasher. And it's supposed to go here, right? And then you attach this thing here. It's already like inside this piece too when you first get it. So you want to make sure that you take that out, obviously. And this is what you're going to do to attach the filter in between the dishwasher hose. So it's going to be real easy. You're going to come here, get the filter, you see this bottom thread, just take it out. Obviously I already did it before, but just get a wrench, take it out. Next thing you're going to do is take off one washer, and it won't fit two. And you're going to thread that in right here.
So remove this.
You remove that washer, and there's another washer in there.
Okay.
And then just make sure you tighten that. So that's tight now. Then you're going to take this piece here, which came with the faucet, and another adapter.
Faucet
with the pure filter. And then you're just going to put this thread under the sink, like this. Make sure it's level when you thread it. When you put it in. Usually a hand tight isn't enough for this thing. And then what you're going to do is grab your filter. You're going to put that in like that. Make sure you get the click there. Yeah. So that's ready to go. Water comes out. Filtered water comes out on this end. Now, anytime you use your dishwasher, you can leave it on too. You're just going to come here, and put it under like that. And then the dishwasher gets water. Oh, whoa. Do that again. Make sure it's all the way in. There we go. And that's it. Now your dishwasher is going to get water and you'll be able to use it. And again, you can also just press that button. Get the faucet water out, but that's a hassle. So I would turn off the water, turn that to drain the water, make sure it doesn't spray back, and let it out, and then just use the water that way. And that's how you attach your pure filter with the dishwasher hose. That's it.
Just make sure that you hook it up correctly. As you can see, my sink is still accessible, and I have bought a special hose tube to drain it into my sink, so it only cost me like 15 bucks. And then I bought a two-way water valve.
This thing is so quiet. Can't even hardly hear it at all.
Hey, Grandma.